Namaskar friends. What according to you is the biggest problem that faces the country today? We may feel it to be the corona pandemic, but the truth is that prior to corona, during corona and post corona, the greatest problem that faces the country today is berozgari or joblessness. It is said that India is a young nation where 65% of the population is below 35 years and 1 out of every 10 people stands unemployed or berozgar. And since the time this NDA government has come to power, berozgari has increased and worsened. Never ever in the history of this country since last 45 years has this happened. The Bharatiya Janata Party government would leave no stone unturned to blame all this, that this has happened due to corona. But the fact is that the same berozgari problem existed prior to the corona period as well, and which was really an alarming situation. Now the government has all the possible solutions, but it is not willing to implement them, because the Bharatiya Janata Party government knows that the elections are fought not on the developmental issues, but they are fought on emotional and sentimental issues. Now it's surprising, what kind of a prime minister do we have who never talks about berozgari? What kind of a finance minister do we have who, instead of giving solutions, calls it as an act of God? The Bharatiya Janata Party government has made a mockery of this serious issue. And if really what this government boasts itself of being a public welfare government, and it really cares for the welfare of the people, then it should come forth and change its policies. Today itself, I read somewhere that a central cabinet minister issued a statement saying, "Naukri dena sarkar ka theka nahi hai." Now with these kind of statements in such a scenario, how would you rate this government if not being a dumb and a useless one? So let's all join together and raise our voice via the Speak for Job campaign, so that we can awaken this government from its deep sleep and strengthen our voice for berozgari. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Congress, Jai Jagat.